We just got this trailer and we are headed to Petrified Forest National Park. You excited, Ivan? Whoa! Ooh, it is cold here. All right, we're checking out some petrified wood at the gift shop. It's about 90 degrees in Phoenix. Got up here about 2 hours north and it's 60 degrees. And now it's getting hot again. But we bought some petrified wood and now, Ivan, we're going to look at dinosaurs. We saw the cool alligator dinosaur. I guess an alligator's not a dinosaur. Maybe it is, I don't know. Ivan is adventure ready, binoculars, bow and arrow, cowboy hat. Could you take down that dinosaur?
Probably. If
yes.
bow and arrow was salted. Petrified Forest National Park. Cheese puffs.
Oh yeah.
As big as my belly.
Toyota. Now we're headed down the Blue Mesa Trail. 10 mile long. Pretty incredible. Very cool. Go over that edge.
Would you still get my hat if you went down there?
Probably not this time, buddy. Well, we were going to camp here, but we can't really figure out how to set it up, and the wind is howling out on this lake, so we're going to turn it around and keep on driving tonight. Yes! I see some people actually just camping right out on the lake out there. Water is super low. It's all the way back in the valley there. Yeah, Ivan's got his cool bow and arrow.
I can hold it.
We still got about 3 more hours of driving tonight because we're actually not going to camp here, even though we paid for a campsite. Ah! What do you think, Ivan?
Yes,
Put him in the car? Take him home with us?
Well, how are we gonna get him out?
I don't know how we're gonna get him in or out.
He just licked his nose.
Cheese! We're at alligators.
Yeah,
Alligators.